Hi, and welcome to Notary Academy. My name is Lisa Mach. I am the Notary Academy advisor for Arizona. Today, I thought I'd do a little bio for you. Who is Lisa Mach? I go by Lisa Marie Mach because that's my name on all of my business and my notary commission. I first became a notary in 2001, and I'm the owner of Mach Notary LLC. I became a certified loan signing agent in 2020 and have completed over 2,500 loan signings. I spent the last few years signing the majority of my business inside a title company and have learned all the ins and outs of the industry from the top leaders. I have been an active member of the NNA since 2020. I enjoy sharing my knowledge to help other notaries learn their craft and succeed in business. So for me, joining Notary Academy felt like the perfect fit. I believe being a notary isn't just watching people sign documents. So I look forward to helping Arizona educate notaries on their laws and their responsibilities. I run another business side by side with my mother called Adult Assisted Living Referral and Placement Service, which assists seniors in finding their perfect forever home in an assisted living facility or private care home. For the last 15 years, I have run a 501c3 charity alongside my mother as well, called Twilight Wish Foundation. We have granted hundreds of wishes to Arizona veterans and seniors, so I'm always finding a way to give back to my community here in Arizona. I am the very proud mother of one beautiful 18-year-old daughter, Gabriella Rose. She's heading off to college in Hawaii, so I'm going to have an empty nest syndrome pretty soon. In my private time, I'm a cyclist and brand ambassador who enjoys finding new trails to explore and camping with my husband, Lionel, and my golden doodle, Teddy, who's also the face of my business. Thank you for being a part of Notary Academy. Please always reach out to let me know what you need help with in your journey as a notary and notary signing agent. I look forward to helping all of you.